Let's make some delicious air fryer pears. These make for a delicious, quick dessert idea, and they're done in only about 15 to 20 minutes. To get started, melt some butter, and then we're going to add some brown sugar to that. Stir it all up. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I like to add a bunch of different warming spices, so we're going to start with cinnamon, stir it all up, and then next we're going to add some nutmeg and cloves. Both of these together really complement the cinnamon. After that is stirred up, add some vanilla, and finally some oats will finish off the topping. Stir that up and set aside the crumble for later. Next, you're going to take some ripe pears and cut them in half. I do like using ripe pears because they cook up faster. Now you can use a spoon to core them or a melon baller, whichever you prefer. The spoon does get a little bit messy, but as long as the pears are ripe, it works okay. This is what that will look like. And next, you're going to grab your oat crumble topping and start putting a little spoonful in the center of each pear. We're going to spread all of this over the pear in just a minute, but I like to start with the spoonful in the center. Then I just take the spoon and start smearing it all over the top of the pear. Don't leave any of it uncovered if you can. It's going to create an awesome topping for the pears. Keep doing that until all 4 of them are covered. And then if you have any leftover crumble, you can put it back in the center, and oh, that center will be delicious. After that, you're all ready to go. So grab your air fryer basket and put in as many pears as will fit. I'm using a 2-quart air fryer here, and 2 pear halves fit. And I did find that turning one of them the opposite way helped them stand up a little bit better. Pop the drawer in and cook them at 325 for about 10 minutes until the pears are nice and soft and the crumble is a bit caramelized. And there you have it. Super quick, easy air fryer pears that are done super fast. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to come subscribe to Ginger Divine and check out the link to the full recipe in the description. Thanks for watching.